Everyone, we have Amtrak 284 coming this way. Everyone, we got Amtrak 284. There he is. There they go. Wow, he did a nice horn show. Heading to Syracuse. That's 3 trains I caught today in Wheatsport, New York on Pump Road. Awesome catch on the 2 trains. Alright guys, well that wraps it up for today's rail fanning, and I'm gonna maybe later on go rail fanning some, but it's just for today, this morning. But yeah, that was the Amtrak 284. Hopefully later I catch another railroad crossing 63 and Lakeshore 48. Alright guys, hope you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and please leave a like and comment if you like this video, or subscribe. But that was a good catch of the Amtrak 284.